Back once again with the Detailing Master. Thanks for coming back. For those who already know me, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Defender. This is in for our 5-year Wax is Dead package. As you can see, it's got the Urban kit on it. It looks quite fancy. Got nice fancy wheels on it as well, so we're going to be ceramicing these also. The paint and the glass, everything is going to be coated. So let's get on with it. So first and foremost, masking. As always, masking, we always mention how important it is. It's a very important stage. It stops you from screwing the rubbers up and allows you to get right to the edges. Right, so we're going to mask up these steps as well, because obviously we need to polish this and we don't want to get any compound on these plastic or rubber bits. So we're just going to put a line of tape along there. Right, so now with the paint and the plastics and ceramics, we're going to move on to the glass. For this, we're going to use Wax is Dead Supreme again, so it matches the paintwork. This really is such a lovely coating. Right, so now the vehicle's all polished and ceramics, the next step is the wheels. So we're going to get the vehicle up in the air, take the wheels off, give them a good clean. Once we've done that, we'll let them dry, or probably blow dry them. Then we get them cleaned off with the IPA cleaner and ceramic coated and put back on. Right, so here we have the Wax is Dead Supreme. This is going to be matched up with obviously the paintwork. We only need a little bit of this because these wheels are quite difficult. Right, so today is a new day. The vehicle is now complete. The wheels have been ceramic, the paint's been ceramic, the glass has been ceramic. We've done extra polishing on the piano black. Obviously, as I previously explained, it's not a very nice material to work with, so sometimes you need to do different polishing methods to get it to a stage where you're happy with. We've replaced the urban badge on the front, as the previous one was a little bit faded, I guess. Had a bit of white milkiness in it, so we took that off and replaced that. Now the vehicle's all done, I'm going to get it back on the ground. We're going to torque up the wheels, and then she's all good for collection, so she's going to be wrapped up until Monday. So, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or anything, please leave them down below in the comments, and we will get back to you.